Lang lang. Unahin ko lang si Adam. Anong gusto mo maging project? May dinidream ka ba na gusto mo maging teleserye or movie? At sinong gusto mo makatrabaho?
Okay. Definitely, it's been my dream as a child to be a part of isang pelikula, movie, teleserye. Syempre naman, I mean, my mama, I think she's watching right now, she'd always tell me, pwede ka naman sa teleserye, you know how to act naman. Kasi, minsan kasi, when I drop something or if I make trouble sa bahay, I act like, hindi ako hindi ako. So, pwede naman mag-acting. So that's my dream thing right now. To work with si Enrique Hill.
Ah, talaga?
Opo.
Okay. Si Mark. Ayan, si Martina. Andito yung number one fan mo, yung mom mo. Hi, Marcel. Advantage ba ng isang sikat na artista yung mother mo at mabilis kang nakapasok sa industry?
I'd say po that it's a privilege and blessing that my mom carved out almost her career enough for me to also be in this industry po. And I'm very grateful because I was able to be given this opportunity to be here today. And I take a lot of inspiration from my mom actually with the way she's been sa industry na po ito, and it's something that I take as a blessing. And I'm also here not just to recognize that privilege, but also to show that I'm also equally deserving of it as well po. And yun po, it's not something I want to abuse or take advantage of, but I'd say that it's something I do recognize. Yun po.
Gusto mo ba siya makatrabaho?
Definitely po, that's a dream for me. I think.
Nangangain siya sa screen. Magaling na artista yan.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Okay, si Bedroom Boys. Patrick. Chose. Alam mo ba, yung last na to, yung voice mo kasi parang pang radio talent or, di ba? Gusto, yan ba gusto mong tahakin ang journey mo? Or,
Well, kung mabibigyan naman ako ng chance na mapigyan ng ganung bagay, why not? Pero kaya naman po magpalit-palit ng boses, lilitin ako, hindi yung sakto-sakto na yung boses po, ganyan. Tapos yung minsan gato lang pong normal, medyo.
ganyan ka talaga?
Yes po, ganda po.
Kakain na po ako. Yun?
Pero mas na-adjust ko naman po yung boses most of the time.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Good
Thank you
luck.
very
Thanks,
much.
Kuya Arnil. Next question from Miss Rose Garcia,
Garcia.
Marites University.
Ayan, takip. De, congratulations sa inyong lahat. In fairness, ang dami sa inyo. Almost mga guwapo at magaganda. So, very promising. So, ang question ko, tatlo. Pero para sabay-sabay nyo nang sagutin. Isa, pagsagot nyo. Una, alam naman natin, napakaraming mga baguhan. Napakaraming mga produkto din ng mga reality search, yung iba. Bakit kayo kailangang hangaan o i-follow ng mga fans, ng mga, of course, yun, alam nyo na. Then, second question, sino ang inyong celebrity crush? At pangatlong tanong, sino ang inyong mga iniidolo na mga artista?
Who do you want to address your question to, Rose?
Siguro, simula na lang kay itong naka-green. Sorry, hindi ko pa kabisado ang mga pangalan nyo.
Saan siya? Hello po.
Ayan.
Pwede pong pakiulit yung
Ano?
discussion.
Okay. Kasi para isang na lang, di ba? Isang unang tanong, bakit kayo kailangang hangaan? Bakit kayo ang dapat hangaan o i-follow?
Okay po.
Oo. Second, your showbiz crush. And third, your idol. From
Okay po. Ay, maraming salamat po sa tanong. Bakit po ako dapat hangaan? Unang-una po sa lahat, mahilig po ako mag-perform, mahilig po ako kumanta, tumugtog ng mga instruments. At bata pa lang po talaga ako, mahilig na akong kumanta. Noong 6 years old pa lang ako. And namana ko po siya sa mga pamilya ko dahil yung buong pamilya ko mahilig kumanta. At through music po, I connect people. I connect with people. Mahilig po akong mag-live sa TikTok and sa Kumu. At yun po.
Very generous.
Second question po, Sino yung showbiz crush ko? Parang wala pa po eh. Sa ngayon wala pa po.
Sorry ha, dahil ngayon pa lang naman namin kayo nakilala. Kaya pwede niyong sabihin yung name niyo bago kayo sumagot.
Ako po. Sorry po. Ako po si Chan.
Okay na yung
Chan
sagot mo.
Martin.
Sabihin mo na lang yung name mo. Ikaw ay si?
Chan Martin.
Okay, thank you. Hindi mo pa pala
Next question pa po eh, yung idol ko. Ang idol ko po si Joshua Garcia. Kasi magaling siyang umarate. And gusto ko siyang gayahin. Yun lang po.
Crush?
Thank you po.
Your crush?
Crush po, wala pa po. So ngayon wala pa. Pero balitaan ko po kayo pag meron na.
Ay, mahirap yan. Mahirap na maging president yan. Susunod sila lahat, puro wala. So, hindi ko i-accept na wala. Yung kahit papaano nagagandahan pa or something.
Nagagandahan po ako. Kay... Andrea Brillantes po.
Okay.
Good answer!
Good answer.
Good answer daw, sabi niya. Party. Next.
Thank you po.
Hello po everyone, I'm Wayne Leonard po. And thank you po for the questions. So, for the first one po, syempre, it's not for me to say if you want to follow me po or not. Syempre, it's the person's choice din po. But, what I will say lang po is, I will work my butt off if you follow me. I will build my career for you. I will train as hard as I can, and I will show you that I am worthy of your follow, or for you to follow me. Okay po. And for my celebrity crush, nagagandahan po ako kay Ann Curtis, ever since po talaga. And for my idol po, John Lloyd Cruz po talaga, ever since I was a kid. Yun po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Hello po, ako po si Adam Bach, and maraming salamat po for your question. Yung first question po, definitely, I'm not forcing you to follow us, to follow me. It's definitely your choice. Pero I would like to say now, we have been working hard as a batch here at Starworks. And what we've learned through that was a lot of creativity, and we've really put more onto discipline. And our most important quote that we've learned from one of our workshops was definitely that talent will get you noticed, pero discipline will keep you booked. So that's what I believe in po. Second question, celebrity crush. Liza Soberano po. Idol, Enrique Hill. No. Ding Dong Dantes, definitely. Thank you po.
Thank you. Na voice mo na siguro para sunod-sunod.
Hello po, thank you so much for the question. I am Nico Matugas po. For the first question, I would definitely encourage people to follow me because for me po, I've always been a performer. Ever since I was a kid, I love to dance, to sing, and I want to use these talents naman to showcase it to the world and to inspire others also to do the same. And I also want to use my platform to tell stories that matter and also represent my roots, which is Siargao. Because I know that Siargao is known right now for its tourism, but I want to be able to use my platform to tell them the inner stories, the lives of the locals, even maybe like the folklore, the legends there. I know a lot, and it would be nice to share it with the people. And for my celebrity crush naman po, I would say it's the same as Adam, Liza Soberano po. Super pretty. Yeah. And for my idol po is Piolo Pascual because he's such a very versatile actor, so, which I aspire to be as well. Thank you.
Hello po, madam. Magandang hapon sa inyo. Diyan pa lang po, doon pa lang sa followers and everything. Kasi nung bata ako, shy guy. More laro talaga ako ng sports. Kasi hindi ako naging pag-socialize. Ibang tao kasi nahihiya ako. There's yung medyo natanda na ako, I just want to step out of my comfort zone na. Or talon sa tulay, tulad na sinabi ni Direk. And then, sabi ko, what if try ko yung maganto? Tinry ko and look at me now, nandito na ako sa taas. And I want to motivate people to do the same thing that I did. To always step out of your comfort zone. Kasi if you didn't step out of your comfort zone, may stuck ka lang dyan sa baba. Kaya ganun lagi, ha? And then for my celebrity crush, syempre si Poc Wang. Si Poc Wang kasi I'm not based on looks. I'm more on personality po. Wala ano yung ganda ko, wala namang magandang attitude, di ba po? Ang idol ko naman po si Empoy. Yan, si Empoy kasi po, komedyante po kasi siya. And I love to make people laugh and happy talaga. So, yun po yung sa akin. Salamat.
Yung mukha ka magiging komedyante ka.
So yung first question po, yun yun po, in-encourage ko din po na i-follow po ako ng tao. Even kahit na hindi pa po ako gaano kagaling sa ngayon. But I'm willing to learn po in every ways, in every roles. And also, I want to see them, I want to show them kung ano yung magiging career ko sa pinasok ko pong pagiging isang artist ng Star Wars po. And yung second question po, celebrity crush, Catherine. And yung third po is si Jericho Rosales po.
Yung name nyo, hindi nyo
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm Spencer Capistrano po.
So, next.
Siya po si Patrick Ballesteros po. So,
Thank you.
Para sa akin po sa first question, I won't force you to follow me, but marunong po akong sumayaw, kumanta, to model, and to act. I would use my platform and inspire you by my talent and skills. Yun lang po. And sa second question naman po, yung celebrity crush, right? Sasabihin ko po si Andres Mulak. And then, and then sa, ano po yung third question? Yung idol ko po. I would say Miss Dimples Romana and Liza Soberano po. Thank you po.
Your name?
Ay, sorry po. Rahil Gatali po.